Morning fellas, Ben back again on another one, and this is a 5-year-old motorcycle, exactly 5 years. And that is how the engine looks. Aluminum rims, and then of course the tank has a lot of battle scars, yeah, but just the engine part of it looks in immaculate condition, doesn't it? One quick take on the silicone spray. One major reason why my bike looks like the way it looks after 5 years of hardcore use. This is not some random motorcycle which is kept parked in a garage and is just made to look pretty, more like an eye candy, just so that people drool over it, and that should be it. That's not how Hemi works. Hemi is put to test almost on a weekly basis, and I have done almost anything and everything possible with a Himalayan, with the Hemi. So anything that can be done with the Himalayan, I have done with this particular motorcycle, and this particular motorcycle continues to surprise me and puts a smile on my face every single time. Every single time this bike makes me happy. This is called a silicone spray. Now, Abro makes all sorts of products. They make lubes, they make oils, they make all kinds of things. But then I would not recommend their silicone spray. Their silicone spray is good. I don't say it isn't, but there are far better ones that I've used. And yeah, so a silicone spray from Liqui Moly. You guys get yourself a silicone spray from Liqui Moly and job done. You will have a sexy looking motorcycle for the rest of your life. Yeah, that easy, huh? Spray it like that wherever you need it. I mean, this works best on matte parts, matte metal parts. Of course, you can use it to polish off some matte plastic parts as well, but this is best on matte metal. Carefully, you can't just keep washing your motorcycle and keep going on top with this every single time, is because no matter how good you are at washing your motorcycle, cleaning your motorcycle, you will still have a bit of the the dust and the dirt sticking on to the engine, is because some part of the dust and dirt kind of melts into the paintwork because of all the heat that is generated in the engine and related parts. Of course, you can wipe things clean from the other parts which are not getting heated up, but the engine will definitely have a bit of the dirt kind of melt into the paintwork or fuse with the paintwork. The topmost layer of the paintwork. So what you need to do for that is I've made a detailed video on how to go about cleaning these engine fins and the rest of the engine case with a mixture of kerosene and soap solution. Well, that will ensure that you take out the topmost layer of contaminated paint. And then once you have it cleaned, once you know for a fact that you have it cleaned, you can go on top with this fella. One coat of silicone spray to wherever you think you need it, and just kind of take off the excess. This thing will ensure that your paintwork is protected. It doesn't gather a lot of dirt and grime and dust, and you can do multiple off-road sessions with this. 5 years later, if my motorcycle looks this way, it's thanks to one product and one product only. Yeah, so the best way to use this is like that. These products make a difference. Yeah, I could go on and on about whether or not you need it. You don't need any of these. Products are almost always a luxury, but they do make a difference. They do pack a punch. They do make a difference. and over time is when you truly get to see the actual role of the product. And if for fellas who don't really want to hold on to a motorcycle for a period longer than 2 years, this is definitely not going to be of any use to you. Do not waste your money. Do not make the Himalayan an eye candy. Buy it, use it, ride hard, and dump it. But for the ones who truly feel that this is one of those motorcycles that happen, you know, that just kind of are a legend style motorcycle that just comes up once in a blue moon, then and only then you need to take good care of it. And when that's the case, you should know how to take care of your bike. A quick take on the magic of the silicone spray. Yeah, if this video helped in any way, if this video forces you to go and buy this, go ahead, give it a try. You will love it. Dust that settles on the bike will no more be a problem. All you will need to do is just rub it off with a microfiber cloth. Maybe 3 rides in off-road terrain. And as far as road riding goes, I don't really know how long this thing can take on dust. All you need to do is just keep dusting for months together if it's just road riding. But otherwise, if you're doing a lot of off-road riding, then it's mandatory that you clean the motorcycle thoroughly every single time, or every other time, or every third time at least. And yeah, that is what it is 5 years later.